Hello, this is Alex again, and my brother has got a remote controlled helicopter, but his iPod controls it, if you can see there. Okay, James?
Light's just about to go on.
Okay, go. Whoa! It's really sensitive control. Can you see the little blue lights? You might be able to.
Whoa.
Whoa!
Whoa, Jesus.
Whoa, where's it? Oh, there it is. Whoa!
Pick it up again, quick.
Get it.
Oh, it's landed there.
Oh, sick. Oh, you made it. Wait, let me pick it up. Wait, whoa. Okay, wait. Go.
Screensaver.
Okay. Whoa, James, don't. Whoa! Oh. Okay, go. Whoa.
Yeah.
Whoa.
Yeah, please.
Yeah.
Chocolate.
Yeah. Whoa.
You want a milkshake or not?
Yes. Yeah, I do. Same as James. Oh God, they are close, isn't it? Whoa. Same as James.
Chocolate.
Okay, wait 1 second. Wait, let me just get a better view of this. Here you go. Whoa.
So sorry.
Whoa.
Alex, don't jump.
Oh.
Don't jump. It'll damage your propeller even if you jump.
Yeah, alright. Sorry about that. See, look how good it is.
Sick.
Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. Please subscribe, comment, and like. Thank you very much.